Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Advanced Library Management App with Multi-Admin using Firebase. Abstract. The library management application represents a transformative software solution that is poised to revolutionize the traditional library experience, bridging the gap between the age-old repository of knowledge and the demand of the tech-savvy information-hungry generation. With it is a extensive feature set. This application redefines the library operate under the patrons interact with the library resources. It stands as a treatment to evolving the role of library in the digital age, evaluating them from static repositories or dynamic hubs of knowledge disseminations and community engagement. The comprehensive application encompasses a plethora of functionalities, beginning with the efficient cataloging and organizations of a wide range of resources, from traditional print materials to the vast array of digital content. Let's see the flow diagram of our project. There is a user and admin. Two modules are the present in the flow diagram. Our project. Then user have the login or register. If a register means register any or login to go to the main page of the project. In main activity, book or complete. Two options are there. In book means select the car parking and go to select the plot number and then enter the details of the car details to book the parking. Is all the data are stored in the Firebase database. And the add car parking in admin side, having the default username and password. You can change in the if you change the username and password in the coding only. In admin side, add car parking, view or update the deleted car parking, booking details, user list. Who are the user total customer list, like that is the user list. Thank you. This is the user login page of the username. Then this is the register page. If you first of all if want to select the register page user, then admin. If you select the user means all the columns are visible, and then admin means two columns are disabled. Okay, enter the details of the admin. Then if you enter the register, then this is the user admin name, admin mail id, password and confirm password, and I agree the information is correct. Then click register. Want to register to, again login. If I enter geo at gmail.com plus password 123456, then sign in. In the sign in page we have the lots of options are there: search book, add book, remove book, update, issue. First of all we add the book. Example, I add number 4, ID number, book number ID 4, title Tirukural. Others, number of minutes it have means 1, then plus add, book added successful. Then if I go to search for search number 4, then click add, sorry, and then click search, then from ID number 4, then go means Tirukurals available, total available. You have then remove book, it's a final, we remove it. Then update 4, title is our category Tirukural book assessor. Example I with the business. Then update means then updated successfully. Then search ID number 4, C, Tirukural category is changed to business. Issue book to the user. We already have in the use in the book to give to the user card number 1. Issue the book. Book issued successfully. Return book from users. Book ID 4. And then now I show you the search option. ID number 4. Then go. Tirukural available is 0. Total book is 1. If I click the show available book only means, then click go means no such a book. Understand search only book, so the only available book. Then return book from the user 4, card number 1, returning book. Book returned successfully. Now if you go to 4, then available total say 4. Now available see. Then new issue book was the same, the book I donating the book. Then log out. Then new user. You enter the user name, all the enter and all the details. Right, I enter the user name Raj and role. Enter number 5. Library card number is 5 and Raj at gmail.com. Passwords. Then agree. Then register. Click the register button. Then register successfully. Then enter Raj at gmail.com. Password 123456. Then sign. Search, see my book, review the books, log out. Search means same thing. If I example like 4, then go to see my book means there is no such issued book. So this is if you take issued the book means this is the display showing the see my books all the details. Okay, then log out.